The Cuphead and Mugman Show, episode 98. The Cupboard. See that, Bob-omb? That's the Calfy came for the kidnap. Good. I'm itching for some action. Let's get him. You bet. Calfy! Huh? Wacky, wake up! Blah. What? Oh my God! Calfy! He's gone! Ha ha ha! Thanks for the calf, you dum-dums! Oh no! Calfy has been kidnapped by Magolor and Bob-omb! Oh no! This is not good! Quick! Get to the phone! We need to call the Cup Brothers! Ah! The Cup Brothers? Who are they? Dum-dum? Wait, dum-dum? I need to call them quickly! So, the number is 6751227. Come on, Cup Brothers, pick up! Please, pick up! Meanwhile, with the Cup Brothers, hop! See? And that's how to do a proper backflip. Wow, Mugman! That was amazing! Can I try? Wait! Oh! Yeah, I failed! Yeah, and I can see that. TKO, could you? Blah. Okay, I'm sorry. Whoa! Oh! Mugman! What the crud? Oops. Sorry, but it's the phone! Pick it up! What's the phone? Mario, you're an idiot. Thank you. Here it is. Hello? This is Mugman speaking. Phew! Thank goodness you picked up. This is Wacky the hamster. Oh! Hey, Wacky. What's up? It's really bad, Cup Brothers. Our poor little Calfy has been kidnapped by Magolor and Bob-omb. What? They kidnapped a calf? Isn't that animal cruelty? Please, Cup Brothers, I'm begging you. Please save Calfy. Don't worry, Wacky. We will save him. Bye. Bye. Oops, dropped the phone. Guys! Hey, guys! Uh-oh, boo. Guys, I have terrible news. Okay, and what's this terrible news? It appears that Magolor and Bob-omb have kidnapped Calfy. Calfy? Who's that? Someone we have to save? Okay, let's go then. Well, that didn't take long. Mugman! Wait a minute. Where did everybody go? They kind of left already. Come on, Cuphead, follow me. I'll lead the way. Okay, PG Mini Great, I'm gonna trust you. Yeah. And now that we have Calfy, we can migrate him and turn him into our slave. Help! Oh, believe us, nobody's gonna answer your cry for help. Uh-oh. Ah! Wait, what was that? Blah. I asked for that. You coulda did it. Shut up, Bob-omb. Oh no! It's Cuphead! Magolor and Bob-omb. Why did you kidnap Calfy? You came to save me! And you were saying... Shut up! Okay. Anyways, we're here to take Calfy back. Oh, really? And who says you're gonna do that? Us, the Cup Brothers. Darn it, they got me. Get to the rescue! I really missed. Hi! Ouch! Ha! We're winning! Tail attack! Blah. Yay! I got him, guys! You can see that. No, I'm dead. Ouch! I'm here! Oops. Sorry, boo. I'm dead. Yeah! Ow! Oh, really? Boo! Calfy! No! Calfy! Well, you want to save Calfy so badly, you need to beat us first. Can do! Ouch! Okay, why did I do that? Yeah, why did you do that? Gun, you ready? Ready for anything. Huh? What the? Ow. Ha! Now that was professional. Now gun, shoot. Gonna shoot! Ow. I finally hit them. Beat it. I did it. Ha ha. Oh! Yay! I got him! And I'm here too. Blah. Blah. We're winning! Oh yeah? Hey, wait! What are you doing? No! No! I'm dead. Hey, wait, what are you doing? No! I'm dead too. Fireworks! No! Stop it! Blah. No! Blah. Hey! You didn't shoot me! Darn it! No! You can't kill me! I'm already dead! Ah! You stupid gun! Ouch! Where'd they go, Bob-omb? You killed them all! I'm dead. Well, you killed Cupid at least. But the rest are still fireworks. Hey, Dickie's dead too. I'm still alive though. Not for long. No, he got me! Cavity! Ow! Ouch. Ha 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 ha! I got Magolor. Blah. Ow, sorry! Ow! Hey! I'm dead. Oh my god! Wow! Abby, are you okay? Oh no! Magolor, you killed Abby! Really? And why should I care? After all, I still have Calfy! You what? Ugh. Hey guys, I finally up here! And who cares? Magolor, get him! Okay, I don't think so. Wow! Wow! And a bomb, get up! Ouch! Boing, I'm up! You killed Bradley again! How could you? And whom is Bradley? The person you just killed? Wait! I don't care! But I'm dead! But not exactly. Ew. Huh. Missed me! Ah! And Magolor is long gone. Oh yeah? You forgot I can fly! Soar to be exact. Shut up! Okay. Yup! Hi! Block out! Blah. Ow. Bonk! Blah. Ouchie, I'm dead. Hey, where'd he go? Oh wait, he's running away, that's right. Try to catch us. We will. What? Shh. Ow. Yeah, that was dumb. And why did you fall? Hey, shut up. Oops. Ow. Oof. Wait, you followed us? Of course. Now release Calfy. No. Oof. Guys, help me. Davey. Blah. Trivia. Blah. I'm winning. I'm dead. Huh? Did I do that? Yes? Davey, we're on the same side. Cuphead, you died twice in the same episode. Sorry. I'm still trying, though. I thought you were dead. Oh, yeah. No. Yeah, that's what I thought. Boom. Ow. Whoa. Whoa. Psh. Blah. Psh. Shh. Blah. That really hurt. Yeah. Pew. Pew. Psh. I'm dead. Davey. No. Davey, save me. How? Of course. Ha. You failed to save him. Ha. Davey and Grover. Pew. Thank you. Ow. Ow. Thanks, Grover. High five. Wait. No. Blah. Wait. Did Grover just die? Yeah. I high-fived him and then he died. Well, that was stupid. Anyways, get out of the way. Ouch. How dare you, Magolor? But I didn't even do anything. It was Davey that killed him. In that case. Ow. I already told you. I didn't even do anything. Okay, what's going on here? Blah. I'm dead. Bob-omb, do better. No. Ow. Hi-ya! Blah. Blah. Take this! Uh-oh! Blah. And this! Blah. Wee! Blah! I'm dead! Blah. Knockout! Will you get you for this? And they're gone! Now to save Calfy! Hey guys! I got Calfy back! Madman! I thought you died! I did die because Davey does not know how to parry. Blah! I'm dead! Oh, please let Calfy be okay. Hey guys! We saved Calfy! Oh, thank goodness! Calfy! We were very sick about you! Cupbutters, thank you! You saved Calfy! And it was nothing. Defeating Magolor and Bob-omb was super satisfying. Despite Cuphead dying twice in the same episode. Okay, 3 times in the same episode. Guys, I've made a choice. Huh? I'm sticking with the Cupbutters. But why? You mean we're not good anymore? No, you're still good, but I need to learn how to defend myself. Like, I need to learn self-defense. And if I go with Mugman and his friends, I will learn exactly that. And I will be able to defend myself, like you two are able to. Actually, we're able to defend ourselves. Well, then I'll be able to defend you guys. But until then, Cupbutters, I'm officially on your team. Oh, Calfy, nice to be with you. Yep, same here, Mugman. Same here. So, what do we do? Just whatever you want, I guess. Hey, new friends! Blah. I'm dead. Who did I just kill? You killed Big Bird. Oh, okay. Wait! Did Big Bird die? Yes. Calfy killed Big Bird. Oh! Welcome to the team. So you're not gonna do anything about it? No? Ow!